Philadelphia.
Big Bird, Philadelphia, 808 Colorado, standing by.
Good day, big bamboo antenna. You doing what you usually do, cuz baby. You over here smoking on this east side, it ain't getting you, man. You got that stick out there. Take care. Aloha, the man with the bamboo antenna, Big Bird, Philadelphia. Go.
Hey, that's better than having a dog.
Big Bird around Philly. How about a Big Bird in Philly? 808 Colorado Springs.
808, you gotta do
Good day. I know 808 Colorado Springs. I hear you. I hear you on that barefoot radio. Hey, bamboo antenna, you making it on that barefoot radio. But that big mouth 8080, that's Mile High City, man. He coming in with that big radio. I know 808 Mile High City. Oh, Big Bird in Philly.
All right, Big Bird. Yeah, tell my island brother I said aloha. That's a good friend of mine. Have a good one, Big Bird. I'll step to the side and get it back to Mr. Bamboo Antenna, 808 on the side.
Lieutenant Bamboo Antenna, you come back up.
I want to see if I can get that boy around the Rockies.
808 over there in Denver, Colorado. But you were sounding good on that barefoot radio, dog. I heard you real good. Take care of the man with the bamboo antenna. Take care of Mr. 808 Denver, Colorado.
Checking Mother Nature. Dougie fresh. These big apple trees. Checking condition. Break.
All right, thanks, Big Bird. I'll step to the side. I heard you, Dougie Fresh. I'm going to take a pause for the cause. Hey, Big Bird and Dougie Fresh, 808 on the side.
808, you sound real good, man. Nice and clean audio coming through. 808, no time to put the smokes and blokes on you.
All right, yeah. I'll wave the hand. I got to get up. I got to do some stuff. Looks like the dog wants to go out before the sun goes down. I'll see ya. Dougie, 808. Aloha.
Okay, real good copy. Aloha. Get down. Hey, Bamboo Antenna, who you talking to out there? Brother in New York. Break.